you don't already have the Aladdin Connect app, scan the QR code in the instructions or go to the App Store to download and then set up an account. From the home screen, select the blue plus sign. Then select Door. Next, select One Door Wireless Retrofit Kit. Go through the checklist to verify you are ready to start configuration. Remove the components from packaging and identify each part: the one-door wireless hub, hub power supply, door sensor, sensor bracket, double-sided tape, the color may vary, hardware, and a warning label. You will need a ladder, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, and a 3/32 drill bit and drill. Select a hub mounting location. The hub must be mounted inside the garage within 5 feet of an outlet. The hub alerts you when the garage is being operated remotely, so it must be mounted high on the wall or near the garage door opener so it is visible from anywhere in the garage. The mounting location should have a minimum of 2 bars of Wi-Fi coverage. If you are mounting the hub on the wall, drill pilot holes, then screw the brackets to the wall using anchors. If you are mounting the hub near the garage door opener, use nuts and washers to secure the bracket to the perforated angle. Slide the hub on the mounting bracket so that it snaps into place. Plug in the power adapter, then plug in the USB-C cable to the hub. The Wi-Fi LED on the hub should light up when powered. The door sensor bracket must be mounted on the end stile of the top door section. Center the bracket between the top roller bracket and the door hinge. Use the double-sided tape to attach the bracket to the end stile. Drill pilot holes in the end stile and then screw the bracket to the end stile. Slide the sensor on the mounting bracket so that it snaps into place. Press and hold the blue Wi-Fi button until you hear a beep. Then check that the Wi-Fi light is blinking blue. The hub is connecting to your app and registering your retrofit kit. Select the Wi-Fi network from the list of networks. Enter the Wi-Fi network password and press Continue. The Wi-Fi network password is case sensitive. You can save the password to save time setting up additional Wi-Fi boards. If you do not see your network in the list, you can manually enter your network name and password. After you have entered your home Wi-Fi information, the app passes that information to the garage door opener, and the garage door opener connects to the router, the internet, and then to the cloud. Once the Wi-Fi setup is complete, it's time to connect your door sensor. Pull out the tab on the bottom of the door sensor and continue. Press and release the door sensor button, then check that the LED on the door sensor is blinking blue. Manually open your door and verify that the door position updates on the app, then click Next. Next, you will need to program the hub to communicate with your garage door opener. Select the brand of your garage door opener. Check to see if your garage door opener has a Learn button, then click Next. If you have an older opener without a Learn button, skip to the dip switch instructions. If your garage door is not closed, please close it using the wall button. Once the door is closed, click Next. Follow the instructions to press the Learn button for your garage door opener and confirm that your opener is in Learn mode. The garage door is now programmed to work with the hub. If your garage door opener does not have a Learn button, select I can't find the Learn button. For compatible brands, you will be asked if your opener has a dip switch. Record the position of each switch in the app and click Next. If your garage door is not closed, please close it using the wall button. Once the door is closed, click Next. The garage door is now programmed to work with the hub.